All right, little William, I think we have everything. We're gonna make our bird feeder out of this. We're gonna cover it in peanut butter.
With this?
Just like that. Then we're gonna sprinkle some nuts on it and then use a piece of string and tie it in the tree. Sound good?
Tie it in the tree. Go put.
Yeah.
I go put.
You go home, you can help me cover it in peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come home with me.
I can come home with you?
I dropped it.
You'll be all right. All right, little William. The goal here is to cover that whole thing in peanut butter.
I can't pour it.
You'll have to use the fork or the knife.
Scoop it out like you do your Play-Doh.
A fork. I need a fork.
Oh, we'll get you a fork.
You want a fork?
Yeah. I want to build. I want to build. Hold it up.
Good job, buddy. You cover the whole thing
Cover the whole thing.
like you're painting it. You paint it with peanut butter.
And do this.
Those two, all right. You have to put some more peanut butter out. We're gonna cover the thing in peanut butter and then sprinkle this on there and mix nuts.
Can't. I'm help them out.
Here, put it like that and just kind of scoop it off. There you go.
Put like you eat some.
Yeah, you wanna try some?
Yeah, I'm gonna try some. If the daddy say yeah, if we put
Yeah.
it's good.
It is.
Birds will like it.
Please, I eat it so deep.
Don't eat that one. That's- Are we feeding William or the birds? Did we build a William feeder?
No,
It's a bird feeder.
it's a bird feeder.
All right, put some more peanut butter on it.
Put some more peanut butter. Whoa, here's some more peanut butter. Now, let's move it out. Move this peanut butter out. Move it out.
Good job.
Move it out.
Okay, so we built a William feeder.
Can the one?
Can I have one? What is it?
Look at one.
Thank you.
That. This is not.
Yeah, you know, sprinkle them on here.
Go eat some for me. Go eat some for me.
Little William, what are we doing?
Here.
Little William is on flashlight duty.
That's
Come down.
bad duty.
Flashlight duty, we've come down to
Bad
East Beach to hang our bird feeder in a tree somewhere. What do you see up there, little William?
On the moon.
Where?
Right there.
Show me.
Right there. Right there, Mom. Dada.
Oh, I see it.
I want a nut.
William, we're not going to eat the nuts.
Please, I want a nut.
They're for the birds. I bet there's going to be a big old raccoon on that here in a little bit. Are you ready to go back?
I want some.
Okay, you can have one nut. Here, shine the flashlight up here. One nut. All right, come on.
What's this? I will do wrap.
Hey, get back on the trail, buddy. You hear the waves? You're almost there. Keep going.
Okay. I'm thinking probably.
Keep going. You're almost there. What is that?